Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the Brother HL-L3280CDW printer driver download and installations. So guys, first open any browser, Google search box to type like that, and after in the result you can see the support.brother.com, this official website, so you can install the driver only this website only, okay, because of this is official, okay. Yeah, click on it. After that it will open the page of Brother website and different operating system also there, Mac, Linux, and okay, then Windows. Select the Windows 11. 1032 bit also there, 64-bit also there, server also there, and then click to OK. Okay, easy to set up, full setup. So easy to set up. It is with the software, okay, and this is also software with the driver with the software, and this is only driver. So click to download the printer driver. Scroll down and then click to download. After that, it will start downloading the download box. Then it is downloaded, so you can see. So click on this icon to open where it is downloaded. If this icon is not come, so no worry, come on this locations where it is downloaded, then just right click to update, open. Then it will extract on same locations. You can see the process successfully, then click to OK. Now GDI, this is your printer driver, okay, minimize it, then click to start, and click to setting. After that, click on printer, then printer and scanner, and then click to add device. So after the add device click, then you will show the manual options, okay, just click on it. So different method to you can install. This is already shared to someone's other system, so you can install it. So you have to click to browse and go to find and then connect, okay. And this is via printer and printer IP and host name, and this is a Bluetooth and wireless network discovery printer, and this is a local, okay, so which is you are trying to installation. So click on this and then click in next. So before doing that, on your printer and connect to your desktop and laptop, which is connect to the printer USB cable, and then next, now click to have disk, then click on browse, go to this locations where it is downloaded and extract. So this is your file, open it. Now select this file inf, okay, and then click to OK, then click to OK, and then find out your printer 3280 HL-L3280CDW series, and then next. Now this printer is installing, and then click to next and finish it. Then guys, open this printer, but before the click on test page, so restart your printer and your desktop laptop you are connected with the system. So then come on same locations to click on text printer, print test, and it will come the test page. So that's mean you are working properly, okay. Yeah, and if you are facing any issue during the installations, printer installations, driver download, so please comment me, I will support, and I will guide you, okay. Thank you.